we're gonna unpack the iPhone 11, the yellow edition. This is the box it comes in. It's a really small box, I have to say. Now we need to find an opening. There seems to be some plastic sticking out here. You can just open it with that. There it is. Here it is, the iPhone. There does seem to be a microphone or speaker here, a flashlight, and two cameras. There's a camera here too, which is the front camera, and a speaker. Then here on the side, some volume controls. This is the part we can actually put our SIM card in and our SD card if we have one. This is for loading your iPhone or connecting it to a PC or Mac. And I think these next to it are microphones as well, and this might be speakers. So let's look at the rest of the box. Here we have a cable that you can connect to your power supply. So this one goes into your iPhone and this one goes into your computer or into one of those power socket things. I'm European, so I have a European one, but you probably have an American one. So you just plug it in here and then you can put this part into your iPhone. Just like this, and we can load it. The rest that's in here, this is just some information. Some little books with information. And obviously an Apple sticker. You get them with Apple products, so you can show that you're proud. Okay, so we do have the iPhone here, it's on now. And the button here is for silencing, mute mode. Here we have up is volume up and down is volume down. Then we have a button here that can turn on and off your iPhone.